Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Detergent and Rinse Aid Dispenser on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The Detergent and Rinse Aid Dispenser releases detergent and rinse aid during the wash cycle to facilitate the cleaning process. The dispenser is most commonly replaced if one of the doors breaks or if it stops dispensing properly. If you need to purchase a new detergent dispenser for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we will be working with the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect the power to the dishwasher. Note this repair can be completed while the dishwasher is installed. Start by opening the dishwasher's door. The detergent dispenser is held in place by locking tabs located behind the front panel. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove these 10 screws around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges. With access to the inside of the door, remove the electrical wire from the retainer on the dispenser. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently depress the locking tab on the electrical connector to disconnect it from the dispenser. To remove the detergent dispenser, insert a putty knife beneath the bottom 3 metal tabs, using a flat-headed screwdriver to help create space for the putty knife to pass through. Then, pry one of the side tabs while gently applying pressure to the dispenser. A decent amount of force may be necessary to ensure the tab does not lock back into place. While maintaining pressure, pry the opposite side tab. Then, push the dispenser through the opening and open the door to retrieve it. If you need to purchase a new detergent dispenser, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the dispenser to the opening in the door so that the detergent compartment is closest to the inside of the dishwasher, and press until it snaps into place. Ensure that all of the metal locking tabs are correctly seated behind the retainers on the dispenser. Then, insert the wire back into the retainer and reinstall the electrical connector. Now, align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, align the screw holes in the panel to the screw holes in the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the top 2 corner screws, bearing in mind that the 4 larger screws belong to the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, reinstall the remaining screws. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.